Jamaican-owned Scotch Boys, a company engaged in the manufacturing of sauces and seasonings, is expanding its reach to almost 300 stores in the United States. The company's CEO, Neil Hudson, says the founders anticipate strong sales from the partnership, which Scotch Boys will leverage its reach and bring the best of Jamaica's flavors and rich culinary heritage to the mainstream American consumers. Located in Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland, the company's products include the honey scotch sauce, hot pepper sauce, Jamaican jerk sauce, jerk seasoning, and Scotch bonnet sauce. Scotch Boys distributes its products locally through medical disposables and supplies. It also sells products on its website and e-commerce platform, Amazon. In April last year, the Scotch Boys brand secured placement on the shelves of over 250 Target stores in the United States. Time now for information on the movements of the financial market.
During trading on May 6, 2024, the following companies valued at 500 million Jamaican dollars or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,405,457 units amounted to 30.88% of the market volume, representing all stocks traded on the day. Alternative energy distributor Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 2,641,793 units amounted to 23.95% of the market volume, representing all stocks traded on the day. Investment trading house QWI Investments Limited with 1,211,712 units amounted to 10.99% of the market volume, representing all stocks traded on the day. During trading on May 6, 2024 on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders on the junior stock market, with companies valued at 50 million Jamaican dollars or more in asset value. Auto Parts Distribution Company, Tropical Battery Company Limited, with 682,451 units, amounting to 25.92% of the market volume, representing all stocks traded on the day. Hardware distribution firm Lumber Depot Limited with 368,183 units, amounting to 13.99% of the market volume, representing all stocks traded on the day. Insurance company Caribbean Assurance Brokers Limited with 227,450 units, amounting to 8.64% of the market volume, representing all stocks trading on the day. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 6, 2024, registered a volume of 281,536 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 2,789,999 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 5 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 87,363 shares, changing hands for a value of 372,297 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 75 cents, followed by First Caribbean International Bank Limited with a volume of 73,250 shares being traded for 507,301 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 50 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 6, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $71.5 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $54.9 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157 $155.67 and bought the US dollar for $155.99. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.68, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 9 cents from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $115.90 and bought for $115.55. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.72, selling it for $196.44 and buying it for $192.72. For our credit report tip of the day, always check for accuracy. Before applying for a mortgage, meticulously review your credit report for any errors or discrepancies. Incorrect information could negatively impact your credit score and mortgage eligibility. If you spot any inaccuracies, promptly dispute them with the credit bureaus to ensure your credit reflects accurate information. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.